In this lesson, we're going to learn how to modify the speed that the clips play within the timeline using the speed ramp, rewind, and instant replay. They're located in the center of the screen. There's a downward arrow that will allow you to click and expose the speed controls. The speed ramp will allow you to ramp the speed of the clip. So in this case, from normal through to 0. So it will start at 100% of speed and then gradually go down to a still frame. When you select that, it breaks the clip up into several different components, and you can then adjust so we can see that it's slow at the beginning. So we could bring that up to 100%. And it's 13% at the end, so we could take that down to a really slow speed. When you play this now, it goes through at normal speed, transitions to a slightly slower speed, and so on, until it gets down to virtually no motion. The audio is affected, so it would be a good idea if you wanted to continue a normal audio sound that you detach the audio. To do that, right-click in the timeline and then select Detach the Audio. You can also double-click on the transition and change the location within the clip of where those changes in speed are. Double-clicking, edit, and then just move that to a different location. I'm going to undo all of that now, and we'll look at the next option, which is instant replay. What instant replay does is allow you to replay the clip at either 100%, that's normal speed, or half speed, or 25 or 10%. So let's select 50% to start with. The original clip is here, and then it's slowed down and redone again, and you'll notice that instant replay as a title has been added. That's this purple bar here. You can of course delete that if you wish. Under instant replay, you also have the ability to rewind. Now what rewind does is it adds a clip in the middle, going backwards, so it's rewinding it, repeats the clip at the end here. So we could shorten that by speeding it up, and you could simply rewind and then play again. So normal clip and rewinding and then playing again. So it's like an instant replay, but it actually shows you the rewind. We'll undo those. To hide the retime editor, it's Command R. That's a toggle switch, so Command R will also turn it on. So if I select that now, it's gone. If I press Command R, it comes back again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also press the bell so you'll be notified of further videos.